Google Business Profile Manager might just be dead. Let's get right into it. Older brother Tshepo here. In this channel, I speak entrepreneurship and entrepreneurs' mindset. So yesterday I got on my mobile phone, looking to go on my business profile manager, just to see my insights and all of that. But unfortunately, I couldn't do it because Google was actually redirecting me to using Google search or Google Maps. So Google has been introducing this shift for quite a while. Before it was called Google My Business. I almost forgot it was called Google My Business, and then it became Google Profile Manager, and now it is really completely shifted, but that is on mobile, because when I log into my Google Business Profile Manager on my PC, I can still see it, but on my mobile it has completely changed. I think there are a few reasons for that, but the main reason might be because most people do Google searches for services, for products on their mobile phones. So Google is now gearing towards mobile, and it is doing so even for service providers and businesses for local searches, that is. Now, it still works similar or same-ish to how Business Profile Manager looked, but you can choose which one of the two applications you use, which is Google Maps or Google Search. I prefer using Google Search mostly nowadays, but then I also got into Google Maps yesterday, and I saw that, well, when it comes to posting content on my Google Search profile, it is much easier, but that is for me. You can choose whichever one works for you. What does this mean for your business? It means that if you are not familiar with Business Profile Manager from the get-go, you might find it a little bit tedious or a little bit difficult to use Google Search or Google Maps because it looks completely different. And for people who have never used this at all, who have never uploaded their business onto Google, it might be a little bit easier for you because that's going to be your start. But if your start was with Google My Business or Google Profile Manager, there are some changes, and you are going to see some changes in the traffic that you get onto your Google profile, and you just need to get familiar with the new applications. I am still doing that myself, so I can't really be talking about tutorials and how to use the two applications in depth, but what I'm just saying to you is that be aware that this is happening, and let's just start working on our businesses and profiles on Google, gearing towards mobile. If you are doing this with your website as well, remember it is gearing towards mobile. Most of your traffic will come from mobile, so you want to optimize your Google profile, you want to optimize your website for mobile searches. Of course, you'll still be getting searches from desktop and all of those kind of devices like laptops, but everything is now going mobile, and it's best bet that you optimize your business profile and your website for mobile. If you want to get a website done and you don't have a website, link in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one. Love you.